This video is part of a training where I teach you how to draw any portrait with simple steps. We are starting from the nose because it's the most important feature, as you can locate all the others by using it as a reference point. So, if we break the nose down into simple basic shapes, we will be left with a box. Drawing a nose from various angles can be tricky sometimes, but drawing a box in perspective will allow you to draw it from any angle. Now, after establishing the basic form, we will add the major planes to make it look like an actual nose. The top part is divided into two shapes. This diamond shape, which, by the way, where the skull is connected with the cartilage. Some references have it more pronounced, like this one and this one. The second shape is the ball of the nose. As for the bottom part, we will have to draw the nostrils, which you can simplify with 3 lines similar to the letter A, but you curve it on the top and connect it to the philtrum. Now for the sides, drawing them with simple curves will make you lose the structure. Instead, use a combination of straight and curved lines and make sure to follow the perspective of the box. Now you have a full nose. You just need to clean the sketch lines. And to connect it to the face, we use this shape called the glabella, which is located right between the eyebrows. And obviously, the nose is always in the middle third of the face. Now, let's follow the same steps to draw different angles. Draw the box, the diamond and the ball, the A for the nostrils, and we connect it to the philtrum, the 4 lines for the sides, and you clean the lines. Now that you have learned how to draw the nose, let's apply that on our previous templates, which you can download for free using the link in the description. Each reference has 5 levels. Use the one you are most comfortable with. In this example, I'll be using level 3. And by the way, keep the practice sheet because we will use it again in the next lessons to draw the features. Now, let's get started. Make sure you join the Discord server using the link in the description to share your practice for the feedback. Click here to see how to draw the eyes.